Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you picture composition. You see the picture that with the things are in this picture. There are clouds, mountains, sun, bird, lotus, it is in the pond, fishes, it is also in the pond, flowers, cat, seesaw, trees, a boy. You see this picture and observe the things that which things are in this picture, and you can easily frame this picture into sentences. Today we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. In the other way we can say it an essay. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on given picture. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and observe it in the form of a picture composition having meaningful sentences. Now carefully observe the picture. Observe the things and actions that you see in the picture. Note down your observation as points in a logical order in this scene and try to frame the sentences. All the sentences will be starting with capital letter and ends with full stop. Now frame the sentences by seeing this picture of the garden. Now I will write the sentences over here. There is a garden near my house. Number 2, I visit the garden with my parents. The third one is there are many beautiful flowers. Fourth one is the garden is very neat and clean. The fifth one is there are 3 fishes in the pond. Sixth one is there are many trees in the garden. The seventh one is there are 2 lotus in the pond. The eighth one is the cat is sitting in the garden. The cat is sitting near the pond. The ninth one is the birds are flying in the sky. The last one is I love my garden. Students, 10 sentences I have written. So once again I am going to repeat these sentences. So you observe the picture composition and write the sentences. There is a garden near my house. I visit the garden with my parents. There are many beautiful flowers. There are 3 fishes in the pond. 2 lotuses are in the water. The cat is sitting in the garden. The seesaw is also in the garden. The boy is also standing in a garden. So while seeing this picture, you can frame any sentences by your own. Thank you.